Good afternoon. Here's a little quick video of some amusement. So recently I decided to buy some more 0.7mm solder because I'd run out. This is the previous reel, as you can see, is completely empty. And as you can see, the label says Duratech 6040 solder 200 grams 0.7mm, and this is from Jaycar. And this is the old stuff I bought years ago. And I decided this time, because it was on special, to buy a 1 kg reel, which is much more cost effective than buying 5 of these. But here's where the funny part is. Despite the fact that the solder is perfectly fine, the label is completely ridiculous. It says solder core wire, which doesn't make any sense. It implies basically that this solder is in fact not solder at all, but actually wire with solder inside of it. I mean, what they're obviously trying to say is that it's solder with flux core, which is what it is, but that's not what that actually says. It's solder core wire, or just solder and then core wire, which is even less logical. So I don't know what happened, but in the shift between the labels, because the old stuff used to have this label on, and in fact the 200 gram reels do still have this label, but all the 1 kg ones now have this label. Previously they had a label like the other ones, but now it's this horrible English bastardization that makes absolutely no sense. So yeah, fortunately the solder still works and the flux smells really nice, so can't complain too much. But yeah, just kind of surprised that they don't have the Duratech logo on it, and I'm surprised that the translation or whatever is that bad for Jaycar. They don't typically seem to do that sort of thing, but anyway, there you go. Solder core wire. It's solder with core wire. I don't know. See you next time.